Hi everyone and welcome. So today we have got this box from the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. Okay, so it has some industrial gateway and the industrial products. So let's do the unboxing. So we will open this box and we will see what is inside it. Okay, so the box is open. Okay, so this one is the Modbus IO card. Okay, this one is also Modbus IO card, but it's a analog input Modbus IO card. This is also Modbus IO card, but you can see it has a functionality of digital input, 8 digital input, and here it has a 8 digital output. Okay. It is also Modbus IO card with you can see here 4 and 4 8 analog input channels. Here also we have one more card, which is Modbus serial to Modbus TCP converter. Okay, so you can see Modbus A, B and G. So here is Modbus serial connection and here is Modbus TCP Ethernet. So this is the Modbus serial to TCP converter gateway. Okay, it is a very useful gateway. We can use it in so many industrial devices to connect all of this Modbus IO card. We can use this. Okay, we can convert the Modbus serial data to Modbus TCP data with this Modbus serial to TCP converter gateway. And this one is also Modbus serial IO card. It's a 4 digital input IO card. Okay, so we will see each and every product one by one in the future videos. So here you can see this much of products we have from the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. Okay, if you want to buy this product, then you can visit their website. You can call them on their salesperson number. Also, you can buy this from our Shopify store. Okay, you have all option to purchase the products. So let's meet in the next video, and from the next video we are going to cover each and every product one by one, how to use it, okay, and what is the feature of that product. So let's meet in the next video, and yeah, don't forget to visit the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited website for more this kind of industrial Modbus products. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.